kubor baman kesngi awan lam shipi da unang yalam news.
Deputy Commissioners Jongka West Karohil Ushri Bibhor Akarwal IS Ulapan Bana ba Karohil Autonomous District Council GHADC Kalalong Kabajab Nakabenta Kajing Siw Yak Tulop Kabrangsa Kabai Kran ba Nongtrei Kubor Udisi Ulong Bagajing Slam Jongka Pisa Kadai Nakajing Bombiang Nadu Kibang Akaw Bat Ki IFSC Kut Bala Submit da Ki Badai Panyo Kajing siw nakabenta upnay November la deban pha sakbide banyo Kumba Shiajar Lais Pangot ki Nongtrei jongka GHADC ki playo nakabenta upnay November bat kapisa kabala plat kalakot syaka nyoklur kafon bala pha da ka sarkar
released the salaries of almost all the employees. So I'm very happy to announce that the system is there, and from now for every month, the salary will be released on the 1st of every month. So, and I thank the entire officers and staff of the council also in making sure that they have worked very hard day in and out to make sure that this is kept into place, and this particular system also comes into fruition. So it's a big congratulations to the council itself, and a big thank to them also for making it possible. So 7 crore is the amount. So as per the salary statements that have been prepared by the council, so the amount comes to roughly around 7 crore. So that is the salary that has been released to them, and that is the money that is dispersed every month from the government to the council for making sure that it is done timely. So the total number of employees that is there is who get the salaries around 1300, and so now they have received the salary for November month. So last month they got the salary for October month. So but as I said, there was some delays, so by the end of the month they could get by the end of the November month. But this time we have submitted the list of all the employees was prepared by council, and that was already sent to the bank yesterday, and they have already started receiving. Almost most of them is cleared. I think from council our secretary will be able to give a clear picture on that, but most of it is cleared. Because there were some account number issues also. There were some employees whose there was some mistake in the IFSC code or account numbers while the council was making their salary statements. So money could not go into their account. So ultimately all those were rectified and submitted to the bank also. So most of these issues have been sorted out.
Banyo iki kubor baman kesngi sumhawan subscribe ika channel ulong yalam news. Kumle shibu.